Hello Internet, my name is David Houston with Humane Rights, and I am the lead web and app developer for this organization, and I'm here today to show you a brand new application made available for both Android and iOS systems. And this screencast is being recorded on a Nexus 7 device at a frame rate of 4 frames per second. So here you can see the launcher icon, and when we click on it, you get a splash screen. FugueWeb is the web development company I started, and this is the home page, Humane Rights for the Empowerment of Humanity. And as you can see, there are numerous items to choose from at the home screen, and I'll take you through each of them one at a time. So the first one, empowerment, is our idea of enabling people to connect with others who work within a capacity of human rights promotion or women's rights promotion. And that's broken up into 3 areas. First is some of the core human rights team, where we have a profile. This is my profile, bio, and some thumbnails that when you click on it, they appear as a larger image, as well as a link to an online resource to enable connectivity, because the networking function is really one of the keys here. Here, as our list of artistic contributors grows, we'll have this list increasing. And here, there are bios that we can create either for individual people or for organizations, again with thumbnails and links to online resources. Here is the menu button in the upper right hand corner, so we don't have to go back to the home screen. This next page is pretty interesting. It's all about promoting awareness of human trafficking, and it utilizes the API, the Application Programming Interface, from the United States Department of State. And this is their assessment by country of various aspects related to human trafficking. So when we click Start, we get a list of literally every country in the world. And that can be filtered, if you know what you're looking for, if you don't feel like swiping to it, to a specific country. And when we click on it, you get a basic write-up assessment of the state of affairs, some recommendations, and then some judicial information about how it's prosecuted, protection laws, and preventative measures. We can go back to the top. We can clear the screen and start to search all over again. Next, we move into some of the core functionality of this app, which leverages the power of social media to dynamically update the content as new content is added. So here we have a list of blog entries from a WordPress installation. So as a new post is made, the post will appear here at the top. And this is the most recent one related to heart disease and its effects upon women. You can see the writing, you can see an embedded iframe, you can see an image, and you'll see this button throughout this application. This is our share button. When you click on it, it gives you access to other applications stored locally on the device of the user to share this content, because that's really where the power comes from about promoting awareness. So if they wanted to, for example, email this or SMS this is on a tablet, so there's no SMS capability. And here you can have you have the title of the article in this case, as well as a link to where it's located online. And this is true for all of these as well, you can see. Next, we have a streaming of videos from YouTube. So as new videos are added, they will appear in sequence, so on and so forth down the page. You click upon the thumbnail, and like with the blog, you have the actual content itself, which can be played here. You have the title as well as a description, and again, the share button. Next, we have a Twitter feed, which updates as necessary whenever we tweet. And if you wish to follow us, you click on this and you have an in-app browser that pulls up our Twitter page, and you can look at our site here, and then when you're finished, you close it and you're right back inside of the application. For photography, we use Flickr, and like with the videos, as new images appear, they will appear in sequence, so forth and so on. When you click on the thumbnail, you get a larger version of the image, and with this share button, it's kind of unique, but because not only is there a link and a title, but there is also the image itself. So if you wanted to send this or post it on Pinterest or Facebook or email, you actually will get the image embedded in that post. Next, we have our audio segment, which uses SoundCloud. Here are two iframes that are embedded in the application, which completely work. You can listen to music as you browse through this application. And this top iframe is stuff that audio files, music, interviews, etc. that we have uploaded ourselves. The bottom one is playlist is for items that we're promoting. Click on the share button and you open up our SoundCloud homepage. Finally, there's our Facebook, which is also like SoundCloud. It is an iframe embedded into the application. And to see our Facebook page through an in-app browser, we have it right here, and you can like us. As you can see, we are currently standing at 2,454 likes. This is information pertinent about the application and the organization itself. Here you can share the app, links to it, so that other people can download it. And here is a way to donate, as Humane Rights is a nonprofit organization, and links to various homepages. Contact is obviously a very important thing, because this application thrives upon the submission of content of other artists and campaigners and promoters of human rights and women's empowerment to us, so that we can help give them an additional forum to promote their values, assuming that those values are aligned with our goals. So the submission guidelines are very simple, depending on what you'd like to send. If you want to promote someone or an organization, here's what you need, and here's all the various information related to submitting articles, photography, video, or audio files. Our privacy policy is here, and we take this very seriously. We just want to be clear that this is all about promotion. The artist will maintain complete rights of the intellectual property that they submit to us. And if they wish to email us through the application, they can do so. And here is just some information in the email so that they can be reminded of what they would need to send us. And of course, all of this could be done through our website as well. It's sometimes difficult to submit the content you have through your phone or through your tablet. And that covers the functionality of this application. So please visit us at humanerights.org for more details, and thank you very much for your time.